Okay, so this is the best drying rack ever. We used to have 2 or 3 drying racks out here, and it still was never enough. And now we've got this jumbo drying rack. I mean, I'm 5'10", so it's like 5'8" or something. This is the brand. Just fits so many clothes on here, and then it also folds down too. So right here is where it folds. And there you go. There's like the lower levels. It's very sturdy. It's not going anywhere, but you can also like pick it up really easily and move it around, move it out into the sun or whatever you want to do. So can definitely recommend.